everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's digital age, few key skills can make a huge difference in both our personal and professional life. From managing emails to protecting our privacy online, these key skills are essential for a balanced and productive life. The first skill is effective email management and calendar use. Inbox clutter and missed appointments are all too common. So set aside some time daily to review your inbox, create folders or labels so that you can keep your email organized. Use digital calendar for appointments, events or deadlines. This simple organization can save hours each week. Next up is cloud storage. Services like Dropbox, Google Drive, iCloud let you store, share, and access files from anywhere. This is great for organizing your personal documents, saving photos, or collaborating on projects. So become comfortable with uploading, sharing, storing, and organizing your files so that you stay organized without any clutter. Security is very crucial in digital world. Simple steps like strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and being mindful of phishing email and messages can help you protect your personal information. Everyone should be comfortable with basic software skills like MS Word, MS Excel, and for presentation MS PowerPoint. These are foundational for everything from personal budgeting to creating presentation and organizing data. Social media is everywhere and learning to use it mindfully is the key. Limit your screen time. Curate your feed to bring value and avoid comparison trap. Using these platforms thoughtfully can bring a huge difference in both your mental well-being and your personality. Another essential digital skill is communication etiquette. While emailing, messaging, or posting on social media, be clear, concise, and polite. Know when to be formal and when to be casual can help you make better online connections. Basic troubleshooting skills are very much essential in this digital age. Learn few simple troubleshooting tricks like restarting the device, clearing the cache, or updating the software. Google is your friend here too. Many solutions are a search away. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another video.